guys, just wanted to do a quick little check-in. I pretty much got everything all set up for my display. I was really stressed out for a little bit because it's an 8-foot table, which now that my display is way different than it's been before, I was a little stressed out about how it was gonna all fit on that, since I've got a lot of stickers now and then I've got ornaments. Definitely not super stressed out about inventory. Yeah, this weekend's going to be crazy because I have this event, and then my daughter has a select soccer game on Mercer Island. Obviously I'm not going because I have my market. And then after that, we are seeing King and Country, and I am getting so excited about going. I cannot wait. I'm ready to start the whole holiday celebration early for Christmas and listening to all the awesome songs that for King and Country do. I am so excited, and we're actually taking our girls with us, so this is going to be their first concert, and how amazing is it that they're going to go see for King and Country for their first concert. And I'm just like beyond excited. I'm hoping that I will get some footage of us going and maybe some videos. I'm not one of those people that likes to film all the time during concerts. I might film a couple of our favorite songs. But man, I'm just so excited for all the things that are happening on Saturday. But that's pretty much it. And then after this art event, I am planning on listing all of the stuff. So ornaments and all that. So by the time you guys see this, those things are hopefully already posted and are ready for you guys to purchase. I'm not sure, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick little update of what to expect on this vlog for this week. This week has just been kind of super chaotic on this vlog. I most of the time don't know when to start and when to finish. And as you can tell, I am not in my car right now, which is very abnormal. But lots of exciting things happening this weekend, and I'm hoping that I will be able to take you guys along and just share my adventures. I've done this holiday market for the last, well, you can't really count COVID. I've done it 3 times, and this will be, I think, my 3rd time doing it, because we did it last year and I thought it went well, but we will just see how it goes, and it's local and in town. Yeah, we'll just see how this market goes. And I think that's it for right now, guys. I will check in with you guys later. If I do not, thank you so much for watching, oh my gosh, watching, and I will check in with you guys later. Bye. Okay, I just got a new computer, which I haven't had a desktop since like the 90s. Wow, things have definitely changed a lot in the computer gamer industry. Well, we will see what happens. I gotta set this thing up. It just came in the mail yesterday, and it is 5:48 in the morning. I finally got it all set up. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Well, I'm a little nervous. We'll see what happens. That's better. Okay, so I was told that there was a rumor that we were supposed to be setting up for the market tonight, which is Friday night, to get ready for Saturday. And my friend's like, I was told that setup is at 3:30. And so I got here early. In the place where I'm going is just right across the street. And I thought I would go over there to talk to the ladies about it. So where this is at a senior center, and there were 2 ladies behind the desk. I'm like, hey, I've got a question. What time is set up tonight? One said 3:30, one said 4:30. And then they were bickering back and forth on what time it actually was. So I don't know what time, but the problem is that I have to pick up my kids. So either they are with me, or I take them home real quick and then come back, and hopefully I will be able to find a spot for me and my friend. I've got all of my stuff in the back already. I'll show you that. Just hold on. Let's zoom out here. So I've already got all my stuff back here. I've got my product. The only thing that I don't have in here is my painted rocks, but I've got like 3 bins, and then I've got my stickers set up right there. And that is pretty much it, except for my rocks, which I think I'll probably just bring to the show in the morning. The sun decided to make an appearance, so now I'm having to cover my face because I'm completely washed out because of it. Yeah, so now they're telling me that setup is at 3:30, but I have a feeling it's actually at 4:30 because that was what was put out in the email. So my plan is to go and drop off my girls from school and then come back, which is really annoying because I really hate driving around with all my stuff in the back. Yeah. Oh well, what are you gonna do? It is a local event and it's not always this bad. I expect that there's gonna be a lot of people, and there's 3 of us and we're all trying to get tables next to each other. So that's gonna be the hard part. We'll see what my friend Debbie decides that she wants to do. Oh, there it is. Better. The clouds went over. I will try to record. I may not be able to, but I will see what I can do. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I will take you along and I will talk to you guys later. See ya. Hello. Okay, so just giving you guys a little update about the market because this is actually editing Shelly here. I was looking through my footage and I didn't really talk about the market at all and about setting it up and stuff. So as I was setting it up, I was recording, but I'm really self-conscious about recording as I'm setting up, and I actually was so flustered and scared about it that I put my camera in a certain way and it caused it to actually fall over. And then the day of the market was good. It was actually really good. I really enjoy, actually, let's go back a little bit more. So the last time you saw me talk, I was actually talking about setting it up. So the way this market works, it's like a first come, first serve. So it's like a dash to find a good table in the area, which I absolutely hate. I'm not a fan of that, and it's been like that for a while, or at least the last 2 times I've done it, and I'm not a fan of that. But however, we did think of a plan. So next time we are going to have a strategy of us buying 3 tables, so they have to be all together, and then we can actually pick our spot of where we want to be. So we thought that was a brilliant idea. So then we could all be together. So as I was filming, my camera fell off, and the day of the market was really good. My dad comes and hangs out with me, and I'm next to my 2 favorite people. I didn't get a whole lot of footage on the day of, but you will see next my table. And then after that short clip of my table, I'm going to share some video of the freaking country concert, which was so amazing. Once we realized that they were actually going to be running late. The show was originally scheduled to start at 7 o'clock. It did not start until 9 because they were coming from Idaho, and the pass here in Washington State from Idaho over to this side of the mountains was shut down because of 3 feet of snow. So they actually had to drive down through Portland and back up, like through Seattle up to Everett. And they were able to get it all done, but they were so amazing. So I'm going to share some clips. Hopefully I don't get any copyrights, but I at least wanted to show you that because it was so great. And then my youngest actually fell asleep. Actually, both of them fell asleep during the concert. Like, leave it to my kids to both fall asleep during a concert. It was so great. And I just kind of wanted to give you a setup of like what it is because I didn't have time to do a whole lot of filming. I'm planning on doing way more than what I'm doing right now. So when it comes to like pre-setup for things and telling you about what's going on, it just might not be completely formal or pretty background or anything like that, but that's okay. And let's go.
Sharing rich gifts and warm greetings, for a child has been born for us, the gift of a son for you and for me. His names will be Amazing Counselor, Strong God, Eternal Father, Prince of Peace, and there will surely be no limits to the wholeness that he brings. Won't you?
It's older today. Yep. What all has transpired, and I was like backstage, like pacing like this, thinking to myself, I've got 4 kids. We're about to start a show at 8:45. What are we doing here? And you're still here, folks. You're still here. So thank you so very much.
And I have to say, it's not easy to get all the way from Nashville, Tennessee up here. Hence the snow that we faced.
Yeah, it was so ironic yesterday. People like in casual conversation, like, yeah, up on the pass there's gonna be 3 feet of snow. And I'm like, how is it a regular conversation? 3 feet of snow.
Hey, you're tough people, I've just got to say, on every level. Indulge us for a moment, raise your hand and make some noise if you have joined us for a Teen Country show. Where are my people? I see you. Alright. Raise your hand if you've joined us for a Teen Country Christmas show before. A few, the brave, the bold. Raise your hand if this is your first time ever. First time is one of my first times. Look at you. Welcome. Let us clear up a couple funny, funky facts for the newcomers, starting with these peculiar wonky accents. We are not from Boston.
Nobody thought we were.
We're not from South Africa. We're from the land down under, Sydney, Australia. Like I said, we live now in good old Nashville, Tennessee, you know. Gonna get a yeehaw. We're too far north for you to be that good at the yeehaw. So we live in Nashville, but like I said, we're from Australia. Everything is upside down in Australia, including the seasons. That means that Christmas falls in the...
You guys are geniuses. You must not have been homeschooled like I was.
But we've adopted in Australia a lot of your Northern Hemisphere songs and traditions, which is awfully clear.
I've been so wrong. Yeah, I've made my mistakes.
Shall we play our drums for you, Cam? Welcome, my little drummer boy.
Just wanna sing the blues. Feels like a song that never stops. Feels like it's never gonna. Gotta get that fire back in my bones before my heart zones in the storm. So somebody please pass the megaphone. My Shelly don't think shout it out.
What an amazing experience that was. I was so glad that I was able to share that with you. So on this is actually, we're getting close to the end of the video here, and every day, not every day, but when I have time before I pick up my girls, I actually do some illustrating on my tablet. And on this one, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, if I'm going to make it a sticker or really... I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I tell you what, I absolutely love this design. Nothing is better than a cup of coffee and a good book, or reading your Bible first thing in the morning. It is just a great way to start your day. So I just felt inspired to draw this, and I will see you guys next week. And I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, since the next time I talk to you, will probably be maybe Christmas, or maybe I'll just take a break. I'm not sure, but thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate every single one of you, and have a wonderful week.